First, Miss Lux White, ito yung unang araw nila kung sino po ang winners sa ating, of course, 3 candidates for today. Olongapo City, Christine Opiasa. Christine. Okay, pakita natin si Christine. And then, second from Palawan, Sharla Santillan. And from Santa Maria, Bulacan, Eleanor Antonio. Good luck, ladies. Here we go. Thank you. To receive 20,000 in cash, then our winners will receive 10,000 each. Today is June 21, first day po ng ating pong Miss Lux White 2021. Ulitin po namin, nakabukas po rin pong door sa lahat po nangangarap na maging Lux White 2021. The winner for today sa ating Miss Lux White 2021 is... Good luck, ladies. The winner is candidate number 1, 2, and 3. We have a triple tie. From Olongapo City, Christine Opiasa. From from Palawan, Sharla Santillan. And from Santa Maria, Bulacan, Eleanor Antonio. Congratulations, ladies! We'll see you Wednesday sa ating pong second day ng Miss Lux White 2021.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang!